So right here we have our Echo Green friendly home. We're gonna start in the hallway, I guess, and work our way to the living room. Here on our floor we have reclaimed lumber and engineered flooring. This is our living room, and we have a wool couch and of course lighting. Here is our kitchen with the reclaimed lumber and the multi-fueled burning stove. Here is the utility room with our washer and dryer and our laundry. Here is our bathroom with our composting toilet. Here is our master bedroom with some wool carpet. It's very empty now. And here's our second bedroom with more wool carpet. This is basically our friendly home in our little neighborhood.